finish the proceedings, or else it would have to come strictly.
He knows that a secure location, and they're locked down in the Senate.
Did we go back into session?
We did go back into session, but now apparently everybody on the floor is putting on their gas masks to prepare for it. So I'm trying to get more information.
They're putting on their,
Tear gas masks.
I'm gonna call up the effing Secretary of DOT.
I have something to say, Mr. Secretary. Well, I'm gonna call the mayor of Washington DC right now and see what other outreach she has to other police departments, as Leader Porter has mentioned.
Be just we're waiting for so-and-so. We need them there now, whoever you got.
About it earlier. He's not in the room right now, but he was with us earlier and said, you know, we want to expedite the report about the condition of the House floor. It may take days to get back.